I installed Debian 13 clean and committed to GNOME from the first boot. The goal was not to chase features, but to see how the system behaves when you live inside it, especially if you come from older Debian releases where stability and predictability mattered more than polish. Before getting into the good parts, let me talk about the one real issue I hit on day one, because this will resonate with experienced Debian users. After installation, my user was not in the sudoers group. That meant no administrative access through sudo, which can feel jarring if you are coming from distributions that handle this automatically. This is not a bug, it is Debian being Debian, conservative, explicit, and unapologetically old school. Still, it is something you notice immediately when you try to update or install software. I fixed it on day one by adding my user to the sudo group from the root shell. Once that was done, the issue never came back. No permissions problems, no surprises. From that moment on, the system behaved exactly as expected. For older Debian users, this will feel familiar rather than frustrating. Debian assumes you know what you are doing, and it waits for you to say so. Once past that initial setup step, the GNOME experience settled into a very steady rhythm. Booting into GNOME on Debian 13 is smooth and predictable. Login is quick. The desktop appears cleanly every time. After weeks of use, there was no creeping lag, no odd pauses, and no background misbehavior. Debian's strength shows up not in flashy benchmarks, but in how little it demands from your attention. This is upstream GNOME delivered without decoration. No vendor theming, no custom extensions forced on you. What you see is what GNOME actually is, guided gently by Debian's stability-first philosophy. The desktop does not try to impress you, it stays out of your way. The GNOME overview becomes second nature over time. Superkey, overview, type, launch, move on. After a month, this flow feels natural even for users who once resisted GNOME's design. Debian's clean implementation helps GNOME make sense, especially if you value reduced clutter and fewer decisions. Animations are restrained and purposeful. Nothing feels decorative. Even on modest hardware, GNOME remains responsive and consistent. Debian clearly prioritizes long session reliability over short bursts of visual flair, and that decision pays off. Settings in GNOME remain minimal but functional. Display scaling behaves properly, power management is sensible, touchpad gestures feel natural and predictable. Nothing feels experimental or half-finished. After weeks of use, I stopped thinking about settings altogether, which is usually a good sign. The default GNOME applications on Debian 13 are mature and dependable. The file manager is fast and boring in the right way. The text editor opens instantly. GNOME Terminal feels familiar and honest, with no strange defaults or surprises. Firefox integrates smoothly. LibreOffice behaves exactly as longtime Debian users would expect. Installing additional software through apt remains one of Debian's quiet superpowers. Searches are fast, installs are clean. Removing applications does not leave clutter behind. GNOME stays uncluttered even after heavy experimentation. Updates deserve special mention. System updates are calm and uneventful. You refresh, you upgrade, you continue working. No forced reboots, no alarming messages. Over the entire month, updates never broke GNOME, never reset settings, and never changed workflows unexpectedly. Stability is where Debian 13 with GNOME truly shines. GNOME Shell did not crash once. Suspend and resume worked every time. External monitors behaved properly. Audio never vanished. Bluetooth stayed reliable. After long uptime sessions, the desktop felt exactly the same as it did at login. This kind of reliability changes your relationship with the system. You stop managing it. You stop watching it. You trust it. So after 1 month, including that initial sudoers hiccup, what does Debian 13 with GNOME feel like? It feels honest, calm, respectful of the user. That early requirement to explicitly add your user to sudo sets the tone. Debian does not assume, it waits. Once you meet it on its terms, it rewards you with one of the most stable and disciplined GNOME experiences available today. For older Debian users, Debian 13 with GNOME feels like coming home. Not because it is exciting, but because it is dependable. And in the long run, dependability is still Debian's greatest feature.